good? I'm gonna shut this door, okay? Keep the warmth in for the little ones. So if you've been watching our channel, you guessed it. We have goat babies here. Ginger, to our surprise, had the babies first. We honestly thought it would be Opal, the way she was showing everything. Hold on, y'all. That's really white. There you go. How's that? That look better that way? There you go. So Ginger, to our surprise, had the babies first. Opal is still waiting and, as always, stubborn. But we've been checking her ligaments, and she's actually looking really good. Like it's gonna happen the next day or so, truthfully. Ginger, we checked her, and we were surprised that her ligaments were just gone. And then they say that when the ligaments are gone, within 24 hours, it's gonna happen. And literally, it happened so quick. So I'm not gonna show the baby goats in this episode. I'm actually putting some content together, waiting for Opal's babies to get here, and I'm gonna release that episode most likely this coming week. But first, I gotta go get some wood. Also, huge shout out and thank you to the Vineyard Chicks for posting that video on getting ready for your goat babies. It was extremely helpful. They are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so do me a favor, go over to their channel, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and share it more. They're definitely worth it. It's good content, good wholesome values, exactly what my family likes to watch. One minute of organization can save you an hour of time. That old saying has followed me through the years, and I think many of us can admit that a large part of our success is in no small part due to how we prepared and what kind of energy we surrounded ourselves with. Last season, we were not fully prepared, but we did our best and did a pretty good job, all things considering. I think one of the biggest challenges was working on projects when my tools really didn't have a place to hang up yet. It was rough to say the least. My kids really enjoyed always trying to find my tape measure that I always had set down in some awkward place. However, this year, 2021, we know what's ahead and what to expect. And I wanted to start in my workshop. What better place to focus on building a homestead right at the center of where everything would get thought of and built, where we would create all the things that we desire to do on our homestead. With the price of wood going up and our budget plans up for the year, I knew it was important to have this workshop in order, but also for as cheap as I could. Yep, you guessed it. Pallet salvage again. It's free, and it's what we have, so we're going to use it. We built it not so that I can have a place to store my precious tools, but really to bring that which is precious to me to this place and create a life worth living. We are truly only happy when we are fulfilling a purpose that brings us joy. It's going to be a great year and a great adventure, and we're excited to bring you along with it. Thanks for joining us today. I really appreciate you joining us on our adventures. I was hoping to get little man out here today, but he was only able to come out here and play 20 questions on what was what.
What does that big one do? What's that big one do?
The big one's for that big saw right there.
The saw right there?
Yes, the saw right there.
Where did it go?
That big one right there. That's the blade. This blade right there.
Is that big is going to do that one?
It's got more teeth on it, so it's meant for a different cutting.
It goes into right there. Another one. What's another one? What did that do?
Yeah, you're funner to see than Daddy is. More enjoyable to see than Daddy.
What's it?
Before he got too cold and said he had to go inside to get warm. So he's inside. I'm going to go inside now and enjoy the rest of the afternoon with him. Stay tuned for that next episode. We show the goat babies being when they arrived. Hopefully by then, Opal, as of right now, Opal still has not had her babies, but is getting really close, you can tell. If you're on YouTube, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Hit that bell so you can join us in all our adventures when we release them on video. If you're on Rumble, hit that Rumble, subscribe. We'll see you right back here on the next adventure. Take good care.